Hi everyone, Caroline here. Question for you. Do you dance? And if so, when was the last time you went dancing? When was the last time? The reason I'm asking about this is because up until recently, the last time I went dancing was in 2008. 2008. Can you imagine that? I know that makes me seem old, but dancing has no age limit. Movement has no age limit. But the point of this is movement of any kind should not be stopped. Allowing our physical bodies an avenue to express itself, to ground energy, to move energy is something that we all need to be doing in whatever form, especially in these days when the energies are coming through powerfully and our bodies need to recalibrate in some way, shape, or form. So, anywho, when was the last time you went dancing? Let me tell you, the other day I went dancing, and the only reason I went was because someone in our running group was turning 50. As a matter of fact, maybe there's like 8 people who are turning 50 this year, so maybe there'll be a lot of more different kinds of activities for me to participate in. But anyway, that person's activity of choice was to go dancing. So she organized a girls' night out, and I was just like, you know what, Caroline, you haven't been out for a long time. I wonder what the scene is. And also because in this new now, I'm trying to do different activities to get myself out of isolation, to really kind of venture out in the places that I never used to venture out into because I was isolated and lonely and in my little shell and in my little space, just getting myself together like we all have been doing, clearing densities and allowing the light to come in so that we can be ready for this time. And now that this time has come, I'm just like, you know what, Caroline, you need to start doing things differently. It cannot be the way things have been in the past. And to be quite frank, how things are going to play out is not really clear. The only thing that is clear to me is that I must start doing things differently. So I went out dancing. And you know, the interesting thing is that I didn't know what to expect. You know, in those days when we used to go out dancing, the club scene was one of those activities that were on the no list, at least from the perspective of those who were in my circles those days, who were more of the religious kind, the Bible thumping kind, and whatnot. So when I was transitioning from being religious into my now awakening process and consciousness process and whatnot, I abandoned completely the dancing aspect because we had to change our mindsets, and I have not gone to any place called a club or any dancing arena or venue ever since then. The only dancing that I do is probably me with my headphones at home or me dancing somewhere in one of these rooms in this house. Okay, so I really didn't know what to expect. But let me tell you, when we went to that place, I was amazed. You know what I mean? You know how sometimes you think, oh my gosh, I'm just this kind of person who has been working on myself, and, maybe the energies in that place would be dense or whatnot. But I was amazed at how the environment that we went to, I think she made a great choice of venue anyway. The place had all these quote quote seemingly happy people who were having a great time. There was 70s, 80s, and 90s music. Everyone was dancing, or at least most of the people were dancing. There was just joyful people engaging with everybody, just having a good time, just like you'd have like a family gathering and whatnot. And I was in complete and utter shock. I was kind of expecting a different environment. Like, my mindset was so like backward, like in terms of what's happening on the scene these days. The people were so happy, and I was surprised at how much of a good time I was having. The music was happening, the people were happening. Everyone was just like in such good spirits, or seemingly good spirits, because who knows, what's happening. But it appeared to me from my perspective and just how my overall energy was and how expanded my body was feeling. You know how sometimes I get into an environment and I feel contracted, but for some reason during this interaction or this activity in this space, I was so expanded and I really had a good time. You know what I mean? And I thought to myself, I know it's not going to happen again like in a long time, but still, that movement out from my isolated space into a different environment as the new me really provided a new lens in terms of how I was perceiving life. Maybe as the old me, if I went into that space, I could have experienced it differently because of all the judgments I had in my head or whatnot, or just how I was generally. But because of who I am in this new now, I went into this space and totally had a good time. And I came out of that experience remembering one thing. It is not so much the environment, it is us who carry the light. It is us who control and determine how an environment or how an activity or how a situation goes. It is us who are the carriers of light, and it is us who determine these things. You know what I mean? And it just made me think of how many other ways can we actively influence things. When we do things that we enjoy without quote quote judgment, and remember that it is us, our presence, that is now determining how energies are moving around us. You know what I mean? It's not other things affecting us, it is us affecting an environment or us affecting how we are feeling in a specific space. So the thing is, let us not be afraid to venture out. I'm not saying go out and do this and that and do this and that or whatever. The point that I want to put across is that in this new now, let us spread our light. Let us do things differently. Let us engage differently. We can only change these things that are happening in our life if we move from being isolated into the wider world. You know what I mean? That period of isolation and loneliness is over. And we are the ones who have to do something about it to connect with other people on the wider grid. And it doesn't matter what you're doing, as long as it's coming from a loving space, as long as it's coming from truth, is as long as it's coming from coherence and alignment, as long as it's your inner child coming out to play, as long as it's heart energy. Go out and do it. Don't judge anything. We are here to enjoy our lives. We are here to experience things differently, and the time is now. So, have you gone dancing? Let me know in the comment section and what you think about this whole thing. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye.